Yo, what's up internet? Tomas Peter here. I am a professional video editor and a top-rated freelancer on Upwork. I made thousands of dollars editing videos. And in this video, I would like to show you how to write an Upwork proposal that wins jobs on Upwork, right? I've been using this proposal since I started on Upwork and I got so many jobs out of this, yeah? So yeah, let's see what we got here, yeah? I'm gonna read through this. Hi, I can edit your videos and make them look professional. I edit in Premiere Pro, After Effects and Photoshop. I also have 1 terabyte of Dropbox space and a fast stable internet connection, so we can share files easily. I started freelancing on Upwork at the start of 2018 and most of the clients were satisfied so far. My work showcase portfolio, there is the link. Best regards, Tomas Peter, yeah? That's the text I sent to the client, yeah, that's the proposal. I'm also gonna copy and paste it to the description, yeah, so you can use it if you want. Now, let's read some notes what we got here, yeah? Yeah, so the most important thing is to customize it. What I mean by this, yeah, let's see job post on Upwork. Yeah, we got an example here. Yeah, vertical video editor, TikTok, IG Reels, YouTube Shorts. Sometimes the client leaves a word like this, yeah, please include the word slice in your proposal, yeah? So yeah, basically you want to customize the message a little bit according to the job post, right? So it means you read it, yeah? It's not just a copy and paste, yeah? It means you put some effort into it a little bit at least, so the client can see your effort, yeah? I think this maximizes your chances of a successful proposal the most, yeah? Customization. So what I would do, yeah, let's actually read through the job post, yeah? Hey there, I'm looking for a person who is a specialist in editing vertical videos for social media. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok are the main platforms. I will be sending you the raw clips. You will have to make the reels, add effects, color grading, music titles, etc. Please include the word slice in your proposal. Cheers, Ray. That's the job post, right? So what I would do, yeah, just copy and paste this word there, slice. I would put it on the top, yeah, so it's super obvious for the client that I read it, yeah. We can delete this. Yeah, so now the client can see that I read the word, yeah. Another thing I would do, yeah, let's copy this. Copy and paste it. I can edit your vertical videos. Yeah, delete this for TikTok, IG Reels, and YouTube Shorts and make them look professional. Yeah, I can edit your vertical videos for TikTok, IG Reels, YouTube Shorts and make them look professional. That's what I would do. Yeah, I would copy this and paste it and the word slice. Sometimes the clients want to see like your previous work that's related to his job, right? So if that would be the case, I would also include at the end some links to my previous work that's similar to his job post, right? But in this case, he doesn't require it, but I would do it anyway, right? Just to increase the chances, yeah, I would go to my portfolio and I would search if I have any videos that I made for TikTok, IG Reels or YouTube Shorts previously, right? This increases the chances you will get hired the most, I think, right? If the client sees you have done it previously and you customize the message for him, yeah, there is a much higher chance your proposal is gonna be successful, right? Let's do a quick recap, yeah? So we copied and pasted the word slice, yeah, on the top. That means I read it, yeah? And also we copied like the job that's the client requesting, right? TikTok, IG Reels, YouTube Shorts, yeah. As I said, at the end, I would include some links to the previous work that's related to his job, right? So that's what I mean by customize it, yeah? That's the first note, let's move on. Okay, another thing, we gotta keep it short and simple, right? What I mean by this, yeah, the client is probably gonna have like maybe even 50 plus people applying for the job, right? And he doesn't want to spend a year going through all these proposals, right? Just keep it short and simple, introduce the main key points, right? And basically direct the client to your portfolio, right? That's the most important thing, yeah? And ideally, he will see your show reel on the top, right? And that's gonna tell him the most rather than some plain text that anybody can write. So yeah, if you're interested on how to make a show reel video, yeah, there will be a card linking to this video so you can check it out, yeah? I already made a video about this. Okay, so that's about the keep it short and simple, yeah? Let's move on. Provide a link to portfolio, yes, as I said, yeah, at the end I got my work showcase portfolio link, yeah? Yeah, that's gonna direct the client to the portfolio. And as I said, on the top is the introduction of myself. That's gonna tell him the most, right? Last thing we got here, nice structure, no grammar mistakes, etc. Yeah, as you can see, we got the structure here. Yeah, I got the word hi on the top. Yeah, there is a space, there is the main message. Yeah, there is another space. Yeah, best regards, Tomas Peter. Yeah, my name. Yeah, so we got some nice structure. Yeah, also no grammar mistakes. Yeah, I think this is super obvious. Yeah, you don't want to have grammar mistakes in your proposal, like, yeah, lowercase, uppercase, yeah, things like this. You want to make sure this is correct, right? I think that's about it. Yeah, how to write an Upwork proposal that wins jobs on Upwork. Yeah, as I said, I've been using this kind of message since I started. It's been working for me quite well. Yeah, I got lots of jobs on Upwork from this. Yeah, so I know this works. Yeah, as I said, I'm gonna copy and paste it to the YouTube description. Yeah, so you can use it or you can customize it and create your own. That's basically about this video, right? If you are interested in more videos about freelancing and video editing and making money editing videos, subscribe to this channel. Yeah, I post the content about this. And if you like this video, leave a like and comment. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.